Hello, my friends. It is great to see all of you. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I just want to come on here and give y'all an update of my channel and cookbook orders. I know I haven't uploaded a video in 2 months since August. I've been so busy with my family, taking care of some business. That's why I had to take a break from uploading some videos. And my email has been acting up, so I wasn't able to get my orders for the cookbook. But I have some good news. My email is good to go, and the cookbook will be out either the first week or the second week of November. But I know for sure it'll be ready before Thanksgiving. And as soon as I get everything ready, I'll let you know. And hopefully I'll be back uploading some more amazing Southern recipes to share with all of y'all before the holidays. I'm looking forward in returning and sharing with y'all my cookbook. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you soon. Much love.